Hey guys, so it's that day again, the day that I take apart everything that I worked so hard to put together and take it all apart so I could start anew. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out all these cabinets, all this bed, and all these things I built so I could have space to make another camper. And so I got a couple ideas in my head, and maybe in a little bit you guys can help me decide which direction to go for my next camper build because I always have a good time building the campers. Yes, I have a good time camping in it too, but building it, designing a functional features in such a small space, that to me that's pretty fun. So let's take everything out and give it to the new owner. And as always, I'm going to use some genie magic to get this all cleaned out. All right, and just like that, it's all out. Yeah, it's a mess in there. There's the aftermath of me taking everything out. You can see it. I don't have this. I don't have the panel on right there as I do on this side because I took it off for the cabinet build. But yeah, I have a clean slate again. Not really clean. But next up, I wanted to ask you guys, what should I do for my next build? So I have two things that I'm thinking about. And the first thing I'm thinking about is doing a teardrop style camper. So this opens up very similar to a teardrop where it opens up like that. And then I would have a cooking area with drawers and a cabinet and things like that. And underneath, would be my bed. On the inside would be my bed. So it would open up like a teardrop and have a cooking station just like a teardrop would. So that's one of the things I was thinking about. The other thing I was thinking about is a bit more challenging. And I bet you, if you're an element owner, you probably thought of something like this before. But I was thinking about making a slide out. So this thing would close, of course, but I would pull a slide out up to here, and that would extend my leg room to give me a bed, a bigger bed, and things like that. But the the pull out would kind of stop right here, and it would be basically a big extension that comes out over here, just the width of the tailgate, nothing too drastic. Have and I'll have a door entry and stuff back here. But so those are the two ideas that I have in my head. I have a few more ideas, but those are one of those two. I think I'm going to try on this next build. So let me know which one of those two builds you prefer to see. Whether I do the teardrop style version where everything is in here, but there's going to be a great cooking station right here with cabinets and things like that, and the bed would actually be underneath here on the inside, and it would be a full big bed on the inside. Or if you want to see a pull out style where it pulls out and my bed gets extended with it, and um, so when I'm in my camping mode, it'll have this extra room, so to speak. It won't be stealth. The teardrop version could still be stealth, but this version, uh, but the pull-out version would not be stealth. So there's some pluses and minuses. If I want to stay stealth, then the teardrop version, everything's good, everything's closed. But the pull-out version, uh, it'll be a little more difficult to be stealth when you got a big box sticking out the back. Anyways, let me know what you think.